call it? I forgot what it's called. I'm going to edit all this out anyway. This is not a ridge cap. The ridge caps are what goes over here. Where's yours? Ridge clip. Alright, we're going to go over the ridge clip. I can show them what's on it. We're going to go over the ridge clip and how to install the weather stripping. Basically, you take a peel off. This is what I do. Take a peel off and you get as close as possible to the back wall with the holes on the back wall. So as you start, it doesn't matter if you hang over at the end, that's fine, but you want to be as close as possible to this back wall. And then flat too. So as I go, I slowly peel at the same time and I push down and against the back wall. Like this. It works out pretty good. Readjust your hand, grab another piece of it, and just keep pushing against the back wall. I learned this to be the fastest, most convenient way. Sometimes you get some of these paper strips on the back, and then it'll just tear off, and it'll be frustrating. Sometimes you get these things, and they'll rip apart. But this is by far the best way I figured it out. And as you see, if you keep it close to the wall right here, later in the video we'll show you how easy the ridge cap will go on. So, and you don't want to go over this way or put it in the canal this way like that, because when you put your ridge cap on, when you put your ridge cap on, which is this thing, it goes in the corners and it seals your roof. And it'll stop right here to give it some resistance, and then you'll be sitting there fighting it, and then this thing will bend. So make sure you're against the wall. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Okay. Alright, how easy this goes on. When you put those little leather strips, it slides on real